hell out here. One of our generators in our city blown, so it's like over 3,500 people without electricity already. So y'all, all these was a fail, so we're gonna try Burlington. What's happening? What's poppin', JT gang? What's happening? What's poppin', JT gang? It's your favorite lip gloss plug podcast host and soon to be favorite YouTube just Tay. YouTuber just Tay, and we back at it again with another Vlogmas as well. If you're looking for a channel that does many travels, loves, family time, oh, and a good weekend turn up, just tell your girl. So make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel to help her grow, okay? As well, y'all, we are on another day of Vlogmas. You know your girl been hella behind on Vlogmas, but I'm still getting that content out to y'all. As well. By the time this one drop, I'll probably be caught up. So make sure that you go back and look at all the rest of your girl videos, okay? And share them. Share my videos, y'all. So today, y'all, we're actually getting out. Actually got off of work early because guess who hasn't finished Christmas shopping? Your girl. So me and Bae, we finna get ready and go skip town to the next city over, which is Memphis, and just see what we can see. You know, trying to finish Christmas shopping a little bit. So I just wanted to open up this vlog for y'all, and I'm gonna just take y'all with me, but I'm not gonna show y'all the gifts and stuff that I end up getting, because my people do be watching my channel, and I don't want them to, know what they get, So I'll check back in with y'all. We at the gas station, get some gas. I'll check back in with y'all once we get on the road or once we get to the first store, Y'all, we have made it to Ollie's, and guess what, y'all? Tell me why. It's supposed to fucking snow, y'all.
We outside.
And we outside.
We outside.
I ain't never had nobody do me like you. Now I done been with different kind of girls, feel like I done seen them all, but ain't none of them at all like you. And I done seen the best of the best, baby, still I ain't impressed, cause ain't none of them at all like you.
Y'all, Ollie's was a fail, so we're gonna try Burlington and see what they got in here. Hopefully we come out successful.
You know how I feel when I chill. If I'm seen with a girl, then she gotta be just like you. And maybe that's the way I feel, and I got no choice but for me to keep it real. Cause when we first got together, started hanging out, you was skeptical at first, had to figure out if I was the kind of guy that try to dog you.
Yeah, I just wanna let y'all know, we just came out of Burlington, right? And y'all look, it's snowing like hell.
They seen it before, right?
Yes. Oh my God, y'all. This shit is crazy. Let me just let y'all see. Like literally. Look at my sleeve, y'all. It is snowing like hell. We gotta get back home.
But I ain't that kind of guy you try to make me out. You found out when you turned to my baby. I showed them other brothers how to treat a lady. I let you drive when I ride that Mercedes, and I ain't tripping or acting shady, cause baby, you know I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me. In a special way I feel when you hold me. We gon' always be together, baby, that's what she told me, and I believe it, cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you. And every time I think about you, when you ride, when you call, when you come by, your love is amazing to me. I can't wait till I see you. I wanna be with you again. And every time you're out on the road, and whenever I'm doing a show, that I'm your main chick. Who got the game chick? One and the same chick, the one you can hang with. I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me. In a special way I feel when you hold me. We gon' always be together, baby, that's what she told me, and I believe it, cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you.
Real quick, I don't know if y'all can hear me. I got the heat blowing, okay? Because I'm trying to keep my windows from being frozen, y'all. But y'all, we are in the midst of a snowstorm right now, as y'all see. Like, it's terrible right now. Baby running in the store. We did make it back to our city safe. People are steady, like, coming everywhere, y'all. I just read on the news where one of our generators in our city blown, so it's like over 3,500 people without electricity already, and the storm just started. Let me see, hold on. Cause I know this motherfucker blowing. I know it's blowing. So let me just turn it down for a second. But it's over 3,500 people already without lights. And this storm just started at 6 o'clock. It's supposed to be here for the next 5 hours. Supposed to be here for the next 5 hours. So please, I know by the time y'all see this might be a little late, but still, please keep those people in prayer because they probably still won't have utilities by then. Y'all, this is so crazy right now. Like, usually we don't, it just came out the blue. Like, my mom was like, y'all don't watch the news, you didn't hear about the storm. We didn't hear anything, y'all. We done been an hour out and everything and just not coming back. Like, people are literally leaving their cars on, running in the store. It's that bad, y'all. But just keep everybody in prayers. I just want to let y'all know we did make it back in our city. I will let y'all update y'all when we make it home. Babe ran in the store to get something to eat. I'm just driving around until he get back. Hell out here. Yeah, I had to switch jobs. They gotta drive. I can't drive in this shit, y'all. I cannot. I'm not a driver. Call it what you want, y'all. I can't drive in this shit. It's too motherfucking cold. Get me home, okay? Get me home. And then I work from home too. So you know what? I still gotta go to work. Oh my God. Meanwhile, it's a storm going on, y'all. And guess where we at? Fucking Wingstop, y'all. At fucking Wingstop. And they fucked up our order. So guess what? We would have been mad as hell if we came home and our shit went right.